We have with us Forum M. Chera, the founder at Chart Analytics, joining us now. Forum, hi, thank you so much for making time and speaking with ET now. Has the IT earnings spoiled the momentum for the markets over a bit of a medium term, or do you think this is just a one-day move?
Hi, good afternoon, and thank you for having me here. A market just requires a reason to correct, and since after the 9 consecutive trading sessions of positive closing, it's probably seeing that kind of a reason. That's because of the IT results that we are seeing a bit of a correction or a retracement in the overall Nifty index. So, talking about Nifty also, since these corrections are coming in, does not mean that the sentiment changes. However, these retracements should be considered as buying opportunities. Probably right now, IT is a weaker section, but the other sectors like auto space, metal space, or banking space are good attractive levels and invite buying opportunities, talking about stock specific ideas.
So, Forum, amid this fall in market that we are seeing, what are your top picks currently?
I have two top picks. So the first one I would like to talk about is RPG Live. RPG Live today is already up by around 4% odd. However, currently, technically speaking, it's given a breakout from inverted head and shoulder pattern. So the although the breakout was at around 755 levels, and the stock price is currently trading at around 779 to 780. So I suggest to buy at 50% at current levels also. Technically speaking, there has been a good increase in volume also along with the breakout, and the stock price is attempting to move above two multiple moving averages, that is a 200 as well as 50. So the overall sentiment or the trend is changing in the stock. So it's a good buy. So add on buy at around these current levels 50%, add on more at 766 levels, maintain a stop loss below 725. And initially my target was closer to 793. However, I would like to revise it to closer to 800 levels.
Okay, Forum, and since we have you with us, a word on the IT sector as well. Is there any name that looks strong from a chart pattern, or would you recommend a buy where the risk reward is favorable now?
As of right now, I would suggest to avoid and wait for the stock prices to stabilize, because currently most of the IT sector, IT stocks have been taking a hit. So rather the stock price is required to consolidate, show some kind of a sideward move before getting into it.
Okay, Forum, thank you so much for joining us with that quick take.